So I was having issues with this car before I did the motor swap. It was having cylinder misfiring. I just didn't know which one it was, and I just kept wiggling wires and stuff like that. And sometimes it would idle perfectly fine, and then sometimes it wouldn't. Now after the swap, it's still kind of doing the same thing. It makes a random pop when it's idling. So we took it further. We scanned it, and it's telling me that it's misfiring cylinder 3. And it's got a brand new spark plug. It's got I put a new coil in there, and still doing it. So we came into the conclusion that it's the injector plug. So we ended up buying a new one. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take the manifold off. We're gonna splice it up, put a new plug, and see if that fixes my issue. So stay tuned.